it's Heather Funk with H&H Science and Trillium Creek Dermatology. Today, I want you to mark your calendars because our next live event is coming up soon. So mark your calendar for Thursday, June 24th at 7 p.m. You're going to want to tune in live because we are doing live demonstrations with our skincare experts. We're going to have live raffles, and you're also going to get gift credits towards all of the procedures that we feature that night. So what you're going to get to see live with our skin experts is you're going to see how we do ear piercing here at Trillium Creek. It's the perfect place to get safely ear pierced for all ages. Also, you're going to get to see truSculpt, which is perfect for this time of year because it removes fat. So it gets you ready for your swimsuits and your short shorts and ready for the summer. You're also going to see a treatment for the neck. We're going to do a Kybella treatment partnered with Botox with our Dr. Leonard Torak. So that'll get your neck in shape. You're going to see our miraDry treatment, which is perfect for underarm sweating. So again, perfect time of the year to get that treated. And lastly, you're going to see another treatment with Dr. Leonard Torak, our platelet-rich plasma hair restoration treatment. We're also going to be debuting some new H&H Science products and have fabulous pricing on them. You're also going to see live demonstrations in the boutique of our Fitness for Your Face treatment with our NuFace to instantly tone and sculpt. But also we're going to have live product raffles going on throughout the night. You're also going to get gift credits towards the services we show, and you're also going to be able to be eligible for grand prize raffles of Trillium Creek gift certificates and H&H Science gift baskets valued at $250 and $500. Also, you're going to want to click going very, very fast because the first 200 people that click going for our live event will be entered into another special raffle for a basket filled with H&H Science bestsellers valued at $250. So I hope you tune in live on Thursday, June 24th at 7 p.m. because you're not going to want to miss the savings and see all of the latest treatments we offer here at Trillium Creek.